Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Jess if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess and welcome back to everybody else. If you're a lover of Australian makeup, Australian indie makeup, Australian drugstore makeup in particular, that's what my channel is all about. I do other makeup, but in particular I do love supporting my Australian brands. So if you're into that, do stick around and consider subscribing, because that really does help me out as a small YouTuber. And today's video, I'm very excited, so let's dive right on in, shall we? If you realize, I do have a bit of a new lighting thing happening, so if the glare in my glasses is annoying you, let me know, because I can take them off in future videos, but I'll try and be like this so it's not so bad. But I can't see without my glasses very well, so I kind of do need them. But I've got this great big box from Beserk. Like, it's bigger than my head. I've chucked all the Beauty Bay stuff in here as well, just to make it a little bit easier, so I don't really know what's what at the moment. I'm going to try and start with the Beauty Bay stuff because I'm excited. So I had to get the Wilderness palette because that was restocked a few weeks ago, and then obviously I'm like, oh, I need that because you guys know, or should know, I love me a good green palette. Like, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It's so pretty. I've got a hair, I'm wearing a lip gloss and it's getting my hair in it. Not fun. But look at it, it's got such pretty grungy colours in it, and it's probably not new now because I had to wait so bloody long to get it, but I've got it in my hot little hands now, so let me know if you want to see looks of any of these things that I bought. But yeah, that's the first item. The Beauty Bay, the Age of Opulence palette. I'm going to try and do like that so you can see me as well a little bit better. I hate the packaging of it. I think it's really tacky, like compared to the Wilderness one. They did such a good job on that one. I hate the packaging on this one, but I do love the beautiful color story of it. Like, look at it, look at it, look at it, so pretty. Can't wait to try out that one. The last palette I got from Beauty Bay is the Sample Beauty Paradigm, I'm gonna butcher this word, the Paradigm Shift Volume 2 palette. I've always wanted to try Sample Beauty, but just haven't, because I don't really do like a lot of overseas orders as such. But this was on special and I really like the colours of it. You'll probably see that I've got a bit of a theme. Isn't that pretty though? It's quite a big palette. We like them big, don't we? That's what she said. The last two little things from Beauty Bay. I watch a YouTuber here on YouTube. I love Sabrina. And she always uses this as a blending shade for her eyeshadow work. And it's the Wet n Wild Brulee single. So, I mean, I've got shades very similar to this, but I wanted the one that she did, didn't she? Didn't I? I can't talk. But yeah, the last thing from Beauty Bay I also got was the Sample Beauty Erase Boost Base Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base. So that was actually on clearance, I believe, for about $7 Australian. What I like about Beauty Bay is that you can change the like dollars to let you shopping into your country if they ship there. But yeah, I'm excited to try that as well. I'm really excited about this one. I've not tried Glamlight before, so I picked up the Cake palette. I really wanted the Michaela one that they did, but it was sold out for ages, and now I can't be bothered getting it because now I've got plenty of shades that are quite similar. But I am excited for the Cake palette. This is my friend Annie's fault, so I'm just going to be blaming her because she was the one that convinced me to get it, because she was banging on about the shimmers, the shimmer formula that Glamlight do. So, but how cute is that? I'm not necessarily one for like annoying packaging like this because it's quite chunky and it will be a pain in the ass to store, but I still think it's really cute. so pretty. Like I needed another bright palette in my collection, but it is what it is. But I also love that they did on the back like the nutrition facts. I think it's so cute. If I didn't say that was from Beserk, my memory is all over the place at the moment. So I'm also really excited that Beserk sell lethal cosmetics. I've never tried them. They're meant to be an indie brand. I picked up this one. It was on clearance, and it's either clearance or a sale. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was a sale. No, clearance. The Dream Sign Pressed Powder Palette. But definitely my type of colors, and I've heard really good things about Lethal Cosmetics formula as well, and they're made in Germany, which I think is a cool thing. They're meant to be good quality from Germany, I think, makeup. The next one I am super excited about, the Lethal is Dead collaboration that they did with Teresa here on YouTube. I love her channel. The Lethal is Dead collaboration with Teresa. I love her channel. Super excited to have this one because I didn't know that any Australian stockists were going to stock it, and it's a gorgeous color story. Like, how pretty is that? Look at it, look at it, look at it. So gorgeous. Love the colors. And I love the names too because it's all from 90s horror movies, I believe. So Straight to VHS, Final Girls, Spellbound, Watergrave, Body Snatched. I think they're such cool names, so love the packaging. Another brand I'm actually excited to be trying out is by Sinful Cosmetics. Not a particularly new palette by any means, like this is all makeup that's new to me, but it's the Spooky Season eyeshadow palette that, oh yeah, did I say Deadly Sins? Yeah, Deadly Sins Cosmetic. I love the packaging, it's so cool. Even though Halloween has just passed, but you know, whatever. But the colors in this are so different. I love that, like, chartreuse green there, the glitter. Like, how fun is that? Absolutely stunning. So last but not least, in my medium size haul, I'd say, I got the Jackalope palette by Mermaid Salon. Like, how cute is that packaging? Mermaid Salon, I found out, is actually an Australian company, and they're cruelty-free, vegan. I believe everything on Beserk's website is, like, makeup wise, is cruelty free, and I just love the color story of this one. I think it's so cute. So yes, you can tell the type of color stories that I'm really into at the moment with makeup. I think the Glam Light one was the most expensive one, but even then it was on special at the time. So yeah, I'm super excited to be finally filming again, so don't forget to thumbs it up. Comment down below if you want me to try anything out that I bought. I'm going to be trying it out anyway, but I'm going to see which one is most popular, and I'll do a poll too up on my community page for you guys. And let me know if you like the lighting thing that I'm trying to do. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in another video.